All right, go.
I made this for Dad. It's Father's Day, June 21st, 2009. And he really likes it. It's a little it's a little 3D thing from Harry Potter. I really like him now. So I made this card for him too.
And tell me what's in the card.
It's a pop-up card. It says, Happy Father's Day to the Good Wizard.
Okay,
Here's me and Dad on the broomstick
Okay.
to fly into the wizard's castle.
And then what's that big thing? It's a big dragon?
This is the big dragon. This is a big golden stone. Very big, you know.
All right.